What's going on, YouTube? This is the beginning of the video. As you can see, we put the new livery on here. Well, new decals, I guess you could say. Just the white RR. And it looks super clean. Super clean. So we stopped to get some Panda Express before we go on a little solo ride. Yeah, that's how we're starting the video today. A little different, but that's how we're gonna start it, and I'll catch you guys once I got some Panda in my belly. Alright, so we're leaving. Just got some grub. Now we can go for a little ride, and then we gotta fill up. So let's figure out how to get out of here. What do you guys think about the new Suzuki gloves, man? I think they are sick. They're finally, like, I think they're starting to break in a little bit more, because man, that first ride was stowed. My hands were sore, man. But now they're starting to break in a little bit. It feels really good. They're not as, they really weren't that kind of stiff, to be honest. I think it was just a little tight around some of the what do you call that, like the gaps between the fingers. I don't know, but they're a little tight there, but they're breaking in. They feel a little bit better. Let's go to our neighborhood friendly Wawa. Gotta drag me on this corner real quick. This Vandemon exhaust, man, insane with the amount of popping that is produced by this exhaust system, man. Insane. And the sound is crazy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's the full titanium exhaust from Vandemon, or Vandemon? How do you guys say that? Vandemon or Vandemon? I don't know. I've been calling Vandemon. I think that's what it's called. But boy, does it sound good. Especially under like load, when I use a quick shifter, like, man, listen to that. All these red lights, man. Oh, as I say that, the light turned green. Boy, how do I like the full exhaust, man? I love it. Simple as that. Video's over. It is just that simple, though. Like, honestly, I love the exhaust. It sounds amazing. It looks amazing. And it's freaking light. Full titanium exhaust, super light, and I think it performs really well. I gotta have this thing on like I wonder if, like, one day if I put on a dyno and I can compare it, because my boy Wolf, he's got stock headers with just like a cap delete and a slip-on, so I wonder how much of a difference it would make. So that'd be a cool video to have him on the dyno to see that out, see how much power that makes, and then see how much this makes with the full exhaust, you know? Because I haven't seen any numbers on how this exhaust performs. Then again, I don't really see a lot of people with this exhaust anyways, which is kind of one of the reasons why I went with it in the first place, to kind of be unique, you know? But man, dude, it looks, sounds, everything amazing. Let's pull up to this gas station. Get some gotta get some stills for the Instagram, and we can take a better look at this exhaust. I will say, one day I put a little bit too much chain lube on the chain, and it started to burn onto the exhaust. So if you guys know a good way to clean the exhaust, definitely let me know. I've been trying to clean it up a little bit, but I really haven't sat there and actually like dedicated time to cleaning it. But I would like to clean it, because because I love the bluing. Like this Vandemon exhaust blew so much. I took off the headers, or I'm sorry, I took off the side paneling the other day to do the coolant flush, and you could just see all the blue from the headers, man. It looks amazing. Amazing is what it looks like, man. But yeah, man. Let's get a little spot here. Let's turn this off real quick so we can hear, man. Let's turn this off. But yeah, man, it looks amazing. Full titanium Vandemon exhaust. Insane. And it got here way quicker than I expected. It got here way quicker than I expected. So the shipping, amazing. And honestly, just the quality and parts that you're getting from Vandemon is above par. And I'm not sponsored or anything to say any of this. I just really enjoy the sound of the exhaust, the look of it, and everything, and I'm just really happy with my purchase. So I figure I want to relay the message to you guys if anybody was thinking about buying Vandemon exhaust for their model bike. But yeah, it's worth it. It's totally worth it. And what do you guys think, man, about the white RR on the bike? I think that this is a huge upgrade. The bike looks insane, man. Insane. Like, the look of it, I hope it's transferring on camera, because, like, dude, what I see with my eyes, bro, is insane. It's beautiful, bro. The RR definitely sets the tone for the whole thing. I gotta get some more carbon pieces too. So a couple of my friends were telling me get the halos and everything, but I was thinking to do something a little bit different, because I already got two buddies with the halo lights. So I want to do the carbon deletes with the streamlight from, what was the place? Carbon Easy. Carbon Easy has a really nice one. If I can find the picture up, I'll pop it up right here, so you guys can see it. But it's a carbon delete for the headlights, and man, does it make it look insane. Insane is the way it looks. But yeah, let me take off this helmet because it's getting hot. So this is a quick closer look up of the Vandemon exhaust. This is how it looks from the side. Okay, so we've got the back. It looks really good, man. And like, ease of install, super easy. The one thing I will say, but this is with any exhaust, is the springs, man. You will always have a hard time putting the springs on, but that's always a good sign, because it's hard to put the springs on. It means it's not gonna come off, right? But yeah, that's how it looks from there with the full exhaust. Looks great, man. It looks really good. On that exhaust fits all of the asymmetric headlights, or the non-similar headlights. That's what that exhaust fits. If you have a 17 or 18, you do have to change this bracket to a 15 or 16 foot peg. But if you have anything, if you have 15, 16 or below, then it'll just fit, from what I know, it'll just fit all the way on there. That's the only modification you'd have to do if you had a 17 or 18. But yeah, exhaust looks great. And yeah, I mean, there's really nothing more to say about it. If you guys have any questions about it, I mean, just let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. But that's going to be the end of this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. And until next time, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, do what you gotta do in any shape or form. And until next time, bye.